Hello, everyone. I'm Ron Harris, and I am the Adult Services Manager of TPL. Today, I'm here to give you a book review. The book I've selected is American Spy by Lauren Wilkinson. I found it to be a very impressive book. This is her debut novel, and there are a lot of things to get into here. First, it is a spy thriller. Spy thrillers are my guilty pleasure, so that's why I sought this book out. Specifically, it's a Cold War spy thriller, but it has a bit of a twist. First of all, our protagonist here is Marie Mitchell, and instead of the typical Russian Cold War spy thriller we have, it actually takes place in Burkina Faso, a country in West Africa. I thought that was neat. But also, it's unfair to call this book a spy thriller because it's actually a family drama. So if you're into historical fiction and family drama, then you'll like this book. It deals with themes about regret, remorse, grief, and how those things can be passed down from generation to generation. Also, it vividly hops throughout different locales. It takes place in Martinique, Harlem, and I previously mentioned Burkina Faso. Um, but yeah, if you like spy thrillers with great openings, because this book has a great opening, by the way, and books that have unique structures, then you'll like this book. This book in particular has a unique structure because it's written from the perspective of a letter. Um, our protagonist, Marie Mitchell, leaves a letter to her sons explaining what's going to happen. That's all I can say. So yeah, if that sounds interesting to you, then check this book out and let us know what you think. Goodbye. To download this book and many others, please download Libby by Overdrive. Visit Tuscaloosa-library.org for more details.